It's a perfect weekend to be outside for anything. Already starting to see some clear skies and already beginning that transition to some nice weather. Dew points slowly starting to fall, but the winds are picking up northerly at 15 miles an hour, and it will be pretty breezy during the overnight. Bit of high cloudiness still moving throughout the skies, and that will likely be with us throughout the day tomorrow. These are not going to create overcast skies, but kind of that high, thin cirrus clouds that usually makes for a really pretty sky, and we'll see that throughout probably much of the day tomorrow. We're in the upper 60s and 70s elsewhere, but temperatures will be falling late as the humidity continues to drop. Now, it hasn't been dramatic just yet, but those dew points in the 20s, 30s, and 40s, this is all pushing southward. Not that we'll see dew points in the 20s, but certainly possibly some 30s and 40s. Those are the dew points, not the actual temperatures, with that colder air starting to move in. And I'll say colder after the 4 months we've had, really even going back to May, it being pretty hot. We need this, and we are looking at some pretty chilly temperatures that are spreading across out of northern to central Canada, and that is moving south. This is the pattern and the air mass that will stay in place for the weekend and into early next week. And then the good news is, even as this pattern changes, we know we don't keep the fall-like temperatures forever. We may see only temperatures getting back to near normal for a couple of days by the end of the week before another upper trough brings in another cold front by the end of next week. And before that next front at the end of the week, hopefully a better chance of rain, because we really did not see much rain at all from the front that moved on through. Few areas saw a little bit more than a trace and a few tenths of an inch, but overall we did not get in on a lot of that. So the front pushing through, winds increasing, the lower humidity and cooler temperatures coming in. As I mentioned, we'll still keep these high cirrus clouds probably with us throughout the day tomorrow, and then starting to taper off later in the afternoon and evening, and mostly sunny skies on into Sunday. The only area that we're actually worrying about, and not even worrying about it, monitoring in the tropics, is not in the Atlantic basin. It's actually in the East Pacific. These two areas could help out our rain chances. We have one active tropical storm, which is likely to become a hurricane, that is Lydia, and then another that is developing. This one is Invest 99 at the moment, likely to become Max. Now, what Max is going to do is actually move across Mexico, and the associated moisture, along with some moisture in the Gulf, will begin surging our way by the middle to end of the week. Now, this is the Euro. Has not been very aggressive at all, more of just a broad area of low pressure that would hopefully bring us a chance for some showers. The GFS a little bit more aggressive with bringing in rainfall from that, as well as more rain from the front, but both models are at least indicating, one, the cold front moving through, and two, us tapping into at least some of that moisture. That's going to be fine-tuned as we get closer, and hopefully we'll be able to get some rainfall before that next front at the end of this coming week, the upcoming week. High temperatures over the weekend, upper 70s for a high Saturday, low 70s on Sunday. Monday morning, we're looking at 40s, 50s, and low 60s.